This 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak SE 27 SBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, skylight, slide-out, microwave, smoke detector, oven, TV antenna, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak SE 27 SBH is 5,243 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.